It took only minutes. Brookside was devastated.
On this day, 40 years ago, deadly tornadoes left behind a wake of damage throughout Tulsa. Images of the aftermath showed up on the news and in the papers. And after all these years later, they're still vivid to John Hollingshead.
That could have been my house, the house I was living in, the kid, and it could have upended my life.
And you make it through.
Luckily, the storm spared his family's home. But the tornado that tore through Brookside changed his life forever.
I didn't experience as much as the people that actually went through it, obviously, but I mean, it really sparked my interest in weather and eventually into chasing also.
He's now chased more than 60 tornadoes in his life, but the 1974 storm is one he'll not soon forget, and neither will Clarence Boyd Jr.
It was a normal day in a sense of thinking. Everybody thinks it's a normal day till a tornado hits.
He now works as a dean at Oral Roberts University, but 40 years ago today, he was just a student staying on the campus when another tornado hit.
Coming out of the dorm and looking at the third floor gone and realizing that the second floor and you are still there is miraculous.
ORU rebuilt, and so did the rest of Tulsa. But for those whose memories still flash,
ORU hit hard as well.
Images of the storm, they worry about history repeating itself.
It could very easily happen here, and eventually it will happen. We just have to be prepared for it.